In this video, I'm going to break down 5 mistakes that will cost you SOLIDWORKS CSWA exam. Now, my name is Alan, and I helped hundreds of students in the last 5 years to pass CSWA on the first try. Now, also, if you want part 1 CSWA example, you can just click the link below and you can get it for free. Now, here are the 5 mistakes. Mistake number 1 is knowing tools, but not knowing how to apply them. Right? Because people watch tutorials to prepare for these exams and they learn feature by feature, one by one. But on the CSWA exam, you're not asked, which tool is this? You're asked, build this part and then give me correct answer regarding mass, center of mass, and so on. So the mistake is thinking the tool knowledge means that you're ready for the exam. So how you can fix this? You have to practice complete part modeling workflow. That means from the scratch to the end. This way you're going to know which tools I have to use and in what sequence, and also why. Also practice solving exam style problems, not isolated features. So this is mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is ignoring fully defined sketches. And this is one of the biggest silent killer on the exam. Because I know myself and I know a lot of people, when they start learning SolidWorks, they just create a sketch. They don't care much if it's fully defined. And then later, when you have to change something, your sketches collapse. Mistake is skipping constraints and relations and relying only on it looks right. So how you can fix this? Always fully defined sketches. That means it has to be black, not blue. Blue is underdefined, black is fully defined sketch. And as well, use relations. That means horizontal, vertical, tangent, symmetric, concentric, and so on. So this is mistake number 2. Mistake number 3 is poor time management. On the exam, you have a limited time, and it goes very fast. So a mistake that people make is spending too long on one question, rebuilding models from scratch, and trying to make everything perfect. So how you can fix these things? Keep models simple and clean. Now, if you're stuck, move on. Of course, sometimes you can't move on because next question will depend on the previous question. But if you can move on, then just move on, come back later. And also aim for correct answer, not perfect model. And the fastest and the best way to get good at time management is to practice under time pressure on the exam style questions. So this is mistake number 3. Mistake number 4 is not using mass properties correctly, because most CSWA questions will end with what is the mass, what is the volume, or what is the center of mass. And mistakes that people make are forgetting to assign material, or using the wrong units, inches instead of millimeters, or vice versa. And also, very important one, not updating after changes. Because sometimes, for example, when you change some dimension, it will not automatically update. So you have to go and click there, update, or when you change global variable values and you don't have a check there automatic update, you have to update manually. And if you don't do that, you're going to get wrong answers. So to fix that, as soon as you start modeling, assign the material. Always double check the units, whether it's millimeter or inches, and also rebuild after every change. And the mistake number 5, and this is the biggest one. Mistake that people make is watching tutorials instead of practicing. Never timing yourself, because you can take exam style questions and you know how to solve that, but when you get there under time pressure, you fail. And also never solving full exam style problems. You have to practice on the full exam style problems under time pressure, because a lot of people understand concept, but they fail under pressure. So to fix that, do timed mock exams, practice complete problems from start to finish, and also simulate real exam conditions. So these are the 5 mistakes that most people make that cost them CSWA. And if you want to pass on the first try, fix these 5 mistakes. Now, if you want free example of the CSWA part 1, you can just get it for free by clicking on the link below. I see you in another video.